Welcome to Honeymood Meditations. My name is Jimmy. It brings me joy that you're here with me today. I will guide you in a mindful meditation with a focus on the breath, and more specifically, longer exhalations. The intention infused into this meditation is to help you relax the nervous system via the vagus nerve, reduce anxiety, increase lung capacity, cool the body, and it can be a great practice before bedtime to help you get a good night's sleep. We recommend practicing this meditation daily for best results. When you're ready, take a few moments and find a comfortable position where you'll be for this short meditation. You can lie down, sit in a chair, or on a cushion on the ground. You can lay a blanket over your body if that feels good. Get cozy. Allow your eyes to gently close or cast your gaze downwards a few feet in front of you. Now, feel where your body touches the ground. Let your bones be heavy and feel the ground supporting you. Lengthen your spine. It doesn't have to be rigid, just present. Allow your shoulders to relax and fall away from your ears. Let your arms and hands rest where they're comfortable. Turn your attention to your facial muscles and invite some ease here. Let your jaw and tongue be soft. Relax your forehead and just be here for a moment. Place one or both hands on your abdomen and take a few deep breaths into your belly. Can you invite some ease into this area? Allow your breath to be normal now, in and out through your nostrils. Count the length of each inhalation and exhalation. It may be about 3 seconds for an inhalation and 3 seconds for an exhalation. Allow your mind to settle into this counting of the breath. Now, let's invite some play by mindfully lengthening your exhalations and shortening your inhalations. On your next inhalation, breathe in for about 2 seconds and lengthen your exhalation to 4 seconds. It's important to be mindful of your lung capacity in this exercise. If you extend your exhalation farther than your capacity allows, your body will go into a survival mode and gasp for air on the next inhalation. If you feel the need to gasp for air, back off a bit and focus on a smooth transition between your in-breath and out-breath. And when you notice your mind wandering and you've lost count, gently direct your attention back to the next breath in a smooth transition between breaths. And be kind to yourself. Breath after breath. If you'd like, you can continue what you're doing or add another element to this breath work. If you feel like you have the lung capacity for a longer exhalation, try to lengthen your out breath by another second or two. For instance, a 3-second inhalation and a 6-second exhalation, or a 4-second inhalation and an 8-second exhalation. Again, please do this mindfully, and if you feel a need to gasp for air, shorten your next breath to compensate. Another way to deepen your practice is to notice the space and pause in between the in-breath and out-breath. Try to be at ease in this space for 1 to 2 seconds. Breath after breath. As we wind down this guided meditation, allow your breath to slowly and gently return to its natural rhythm. Notice the effects of the meditation. Perhaps the mind has slowed down. Maybe you feel more at ease in the body. Take a moment and thank yourself for practicing today. May the benefits of this practice bring ease, peace, and freedom from suffering to you and your day and to all sentient beings. May all be loved and know they are loved. Slowly deepen your breath, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Please comment below on what you noticed in your meditation. If you'd like to continue your practice, click the link for a seated or walking meditation.